Hello everyone. So today we are going to see the useful plugins which are mandatory while you start your VS Code development. Okay. So let's see what are the important plugins which are necessary while development. Let's see one by one. See, I am showing you my installed plugins. Okay. See, first of all, you have to install the auto close tag. Okay, which will help you in closing the HTML tags. Okay. Then auto complete tag. Next one is auto rename tag. See, in black box this is very handy plugin or extension we can call. Okay, see, you can read it when once you click on it, you can see what the plugin is all about. The detail will be provided in that once you click on it. Okay, now bookmarks. Okay, bookmarks will help you in bookmarking your programs. And bracket pair color deed DLW, code metrics, then color picker. See, this will help you in CSS a lot. A color picker, colorize is also useful. Okay, and then next ES7 React. See, this will be helpful in when you are developing React application. Okay, ESLint, it is also helpful. Git history, Git lens, HTML boilerplate. See, when you start your HTML coding, this HTML boilerplate will help you, without which you cannot start your HTML code. That is mandatory. HTML CSS support. Icon icon fonts. I won't recommend, but still, if you are using icon font, is also good. Okay, IntelliCode. See, this will help you in auto writing the code. This is an AI developed assistance. While you are writing the code, it will recommend something. What should be what should you be writing? JavaScript debugger, then live server. See, this is the mandatory plugin for HTML CSS development. Material UI icon theme, I'm using that. Okay, this outer look is very good. Okay, NPM IntelliSense is also good. One Dark Pro is another theme which you can install. Then next one is output colorizer. Next is Peacock. Pola code is like screenshot capture. If you want to capture a screenshot, you can use Pola code. Next is Prettier, is just a code formatter. Thunder client is really useful. Turbo console and VS code icons. See, as you can see, my icons are a bit different. Okay, so this is due to the icons feature, VS code icon feature. Okay, so I hope I have showed all of my plugins. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.